All right, so in this unboxing and setup, I'm really excited about. Please excuse, my son was also excited and he kind of got to the box before I did, but we're gonna make this happen anyway. Hey, what's going on? It's Low Flow Nose back at you with another Tech Take. And today, my friends, we're taking a look at the Cosmoxtoys Galaxy Gel Rifle, the serious avant-garde gel rifle. This thing looks like a beast. I mean, check out the features. 200 velocity up to 220 feet per second. That is far. That is fast. 13 shots per second. Man, that's like kind of like a DSLR camera. Like, gotcha. And also 1,500 round capacity, but you get 10,000 rounds within the box, and it's fully automatic. Yeah, enough of the specs. Let's open this thing right now. All right, it passed the dad test, if you know what I mean. All right, check this out. This looks cool. Okay, so we get some instructions that are right here. I think my son already did all the research on it before I got to it. You even got some eye protective wear as well. So yes, safety first. And well, the light's kind of reflecting off that, so that's not gonna happen. Here we go, man. Shit. This thing has got some weight to it. This is not light by any stretch of the imagination. Look at that. Okay, I'm sure that's your safety, your trigger. I don't know. I'm not gonna assume. Of course, this is where your barrel drum goes. You hold it here for dual action, and of course you gotta come in. Oh wait, oh yeah, that was a safety. Lock, and then that's on right there. Yeah. Ooh. And this good. What does it say? This says release. Okay, so that's the release. Oh wait. Okay, let's keep going. Here we go. You get 2 packs of these. You get 5,000. Now you can see how really tiny this is. What we have to do is we've got to put this in a bucket of water or bowl of water for 5 hours and let these things absorb the water so they actually become our pellets. So we'll get to that later. You've got a charging cable here to recharge your battery for the gel blaster. And well, we're going to find out what this actually is in a second. Okay, and then this part right here looks like our shoulder part. Yeah. There we go. So we're gonna put this right here to protect it. Don't be like the memes and put it right here. No, you don't want to do that. It's gonna go right here. And of course, so you're gonna see like some tracks right here. And you're gonna see the tracks right at the bottom. You're just gonna push it up against the wall of the handle and then slide it up and you're good to go. Of course, we got to fill it out. All right, so man, let's get rid of this box. First of all, look how awesome this is. I think me personally, I would have gone for another color, but the purple still rocks. And of course, this is the release for our battery right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge our battery, and then we're also going to put these in waters, and then next time you see me, we're going to be firing off this bad boy. Let's go. Okay, so we're all set. We're ready to have some fun. It's about to rain, so we got to do this really quick. The pellets are done. They're done soaking water, so this is how you put them inside of the barrel. There's a trap door right here on the side. You're going to open that up, and it's a pretty small opening, and these balls are really bouncy. Like, yeah, they like bounce all over the place. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it inside here. I'm gonna take the funnel. There goes the ball. I'm gonna grab a couple, and I'm just gonna start putting them inside. Now, the pack was about, I just lost a couple pellets. The pack was about 5,000. So it says this, the drum holds about 1,500. So that's a lot of pellets. And I'm grabbing this by the fistful. All right, so we're gonna fill this up. All right, that's enough for now. Let's go ahead. Let's bring it in. I'm gonna slide it right here. And we're ready to go. That's on, safety off. And right now, let's go. Let's do our test. All right, let's look down those sights. Oh, I completely missed that. Yeah, there we go.
All right. right, so that's it. Let me give you my final thoughts. First of all, this is a blast. I felt like I just put like a handful of pellets inside of here and it's still going. Me and my son were having an awesome time. This thing rocks. Final thoughts, it rocks. If I did have, you know, come on a slight poo-poos, I'd say I wish it came with like some targets, some playful targets, some cardboard, some plastics, some whatever. As of right now, we're just gonna use cups and balloons and just have fun with it. At the same time, get ready to get some extra pellets for the future, because again, if these things are shooting out 13 per second, that's gonna go by fast. All right, guys, really hope this video helped you out in seeing how cool this is. Hope you enjoy this video. Take care. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own Cosmoxtoys gel blaster. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that bell button so you can be notified for future videos as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.